Welcome to another Coding Like Mad Matlab tutorial. Today we will be talking about making movies out of figures in Matlab. If you want to see our other videos on making figures, you can click the card here, and if you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. For a lot of data, it's hard to get the whole picture from just a stationary graph, even in 3D with color. Here are 6 examples of the type of animations you can make with Matlab. 3 of these are actually out of my own previous work and help me communicate complex ideas quickly and easily to an audience. If we zoom in and pick one of these figures as an example, we can see that it communicates quite a bit of information, but how do we go ahead and actually make one of these? The basic process is shown in this code snippet. There are 3 basic steps. First, we need to create the video file with the videoWriter object and open the file. This object not only acts as a collection point for the frames when you build your animation, it also is where you can control things like resolution and frame rate. Now that we have our movie created and open, we need to create our frames for our animation. The idea is that each frame is a separate figure placed sequentially in the file. In this case, we are going to oscillate a simple Gaussian function with a cosine that varies with time. Each time represents a separate frame and therefore a separate figure. The most challenging part of a nice animation is in keeping the axes, labels, titles, and colors the exact same in each frame. Finally, to finish off the process of making our animation, we need to close the animation file. That's all there is to it. I love how easy Matlab makes things like this. There are tons of opportunities to use this creatively, and I hope to use this quite a bit more in coming videos. If you like this video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. If there's topics you would like to see in the future, please go ahead and put them in the comments below. Also, if you have questions or comments about this video and would like to know a little bit more, go ahead and put those down there too. We'll see what we can do about answering those as soon as we can. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.